Hey everyone! In this tutorial I'll show you how to track Instagram content performance in 2026 step by step. So, if you want to understand what content is actually helping your account grow, this guide will make analytics much easier to understand. Tracking performance helps you understand what your audience enjoys most. Instead of guessing, you can use real data to improve future posts and reels. First, make sure your Instagram account is set as a creator or business account, because insights are only available for professional accounts. Now go to your profile and tap Professional Dashboard or Insights to access your analytics. Reach shows how many unique people saw your content, while Impressions show the total number of views. Pay attention to likes, comments, shares, saves, and profile visits. Saves and shares are especially important because they usually signal strong content. Reels analytics are extremely important right now. Look at watch time, average view duration, replay rate, and shares to see how engaging your videos are. One mistake people make is focusing only on likes. Watch time, shares, saves, and retention are usually much more valuable in 2026. And that's basically the full guide to tracking Instagram content performance in 2026. Keep testing different ideas, studying your analytics, and improving based on real audience behavior.